to make a change. You don't have to be rich to make a difference. Anyone can help give a little assistance. We can be a part of curing cancer. Open up your heart now, that's the answer. The question is, how big is your heart? Sunshine blowing the clouds away. Now I feel hope for a brand new day. Giving is an act that can change the world. Lead by example, spread the word. Generosity is a place to start. Not the size of the gift, but the size of the heart. Now you're a part of curing cancer. Do the right thing, cause that's the answer. The question is, how big is your heart?